Now I may never be on a Samsung phone commercial, but I always let you know when I got some purple. And you don't care, I move overseas, even though your sister is police. You always like one with me.
You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy.
My closet was filled up with about 28 pounds. Clients stacking their bills up when it be fronting amounts. I was getting to work, and the work was worth more than Jason worth. The perk of the work, the hooks and verses became my first priority. In other words, not working was working. I would drive out to Colorado where urban was perfect. Sure, I was nervous. I would head out with about like 50-some thou on my dash, whole route sweated out like. No doubt I'm about right to making up in 2 days. Pay 2 months expenses just to make a drive on Tuesday. No dude, I would tell Chase we can't get high, do you wait? Only driving daylight, get a hotel if it's too late. Wholesale, I would move weight. No sale to a new face. No trail, got a new sale. I would do well in a crew cake. Hey, and the money was crazy. Got my cake up, but let my guard down. I fucking got lazy. Shit.
Drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy.
Shit. In the barbershop, parking lot, 6 in the eve. He said, let me flip it real quick. I ain't fixing to leave my clients out front, and he be buying that skunk. Mark, I known you for 2 years, and they lied to you once. I said, that's well and good, but can't be out a couple of pounds. Yo, I don't doubt you, but if he bounces and I'm out a stupid amount, I'm feeling wary, and I don't feel right, I gotta sit out. What if he's carrying? Pulls it out and fires a couple of rounds. Don't you trust me? He said, and sweat dripped down his brow. Matter of fact, I don't, I thought, but I didn't smile. He shook his head and frowned. Don't give a fuck if they be back, and I ain't slacking.